I don't know if you can hear it though, but I'm hearing a fire alarm going off in the building across from us. Not too sure if there's a fire because there are more fire trucks. There's one right there. There's two of them actually, or three. But the fire alarm is going up from in the building across from us. Sounds like a Mircom system doing code 3. It's really cold out right now. There's people out on the balconies right now. They're playing a message right now. They're playing a message right now over the PA. Not too sure what they're saying though, because I can't really hear it that well. Could be a false alarm. It's not a two-stage system, it's just probably a single stage, like with just code 3. Okay, I'm gonna stop now, it's getting too cold.